Hi guys, I'm Casey from Twister Missiles, and today I'm gonna sing Jolene, which has been covered by Miley Cyrus the past days or weeks or months, I don't know. But by the way, I'm gonna have a copy because I really didn't memorize the lyrics, and I hope that's okay with you guys. Here we go. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Oh, I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Please don't take him even though you can. Your beauty is beyond compare, with flaming locks of auburn hair, with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like a breath of spring, your skin is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. And I could easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Jolene. And he talks about you in his sleep. There's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Please don't take him even though you can. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Please don't take him even though you can. I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you, whatever you decide to do, Jolene. And you could have your choice of man, but I could never love again, 'cause he's the only one for me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Oh, I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Please don't take him even though you can. Jolene, Jolene, oh Jolene. So that's all guys, and I hope you really did like it. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe all below. And you can also follow me on my Instagram account on the description box. So I'm really sorry guys because I really didn't memorize it, and I hope that's okay. And thanks for watching by the way. Bye bye.